TT Artisan 50mm F1.2 lens, a second look. Due to the popularity of my first video on this lens, which is linked at the end, I decided to follow up with a discussion focusing specifically on street photography. As mentioned before, shooting an APS-C lens on a full-frame Canon camera in crop mode uses a 1.6x crop factor. This drops the resolution down to about 9.3 megapixels. However, this lens has a unique feature. Its image circle actually covers the full vertical height of the sensor. By switching my Canon R8 to a 1:1 square aspect ratio, the camera captures a larger area. The resulting image is 4000 by 4000 pixels. This 16 megapixel image is roughly 70% larger than the standard APS-C crop mode. Another bonus is that you maintain the full sensor height. Because of this, you do not lose any shallow depth of field. The setup delivers the look of a full-frame 50mm f1.2 lens, just in a square format. You could obviously use this hack in any genre of photography, but the downside will be minor vignetting and softness at the edges. However, it seems to work especially well creatively on the street. Thanks for watching, and all comments welcome. Like and subscribe for new videos each week.